Welcome back to my channel Jhinuk. This is the third video of foundation level tutorial series. In the previous video we have learned a brief of first chapter, that is fundamental of testing. Today in this video we will learn about the first topic of chapter 1, that is what is testing. So let's begin. Testing can be done in all kinds of application or system or components, but here we will talk about software systems. Before moving to the topic, let us know about software systems. Software applications or systems can be classified into two major categories: business application and customer application. Business application are those application where the software is used for business or for commercial use. For example, telecom application, whereas customer applications are used by end users or our customers. For example, mobile phones. Most people think that testing is an activity of executing test cases and finding defects. But the truth is, testing is a process which contains many such activities. But the truth is, testing is a process which consists of many activities such as test planning, test analysis, designing and implementation, reporting test progress, capturing results, evaluating the quality of a test object, and many more. It is a process to check whether the system or software works as per the expectations and requirements. Testing is done to assess quality of the software. Testing also includes verification and validation. Testing also reduces the risk of failure. So basically, testing is when a software is developed. We pass the developed software through testing processes, and these processes adds quality to the software. Now, what happens when a software is released to the market or to the customer without being tested? Is testing that necessary? Let us explore. Software that does not work correctly can lead to many problems such as loss of money, time, business reputation, injury, or even death. Let us understand these with an example of a faulty software. Suppose a new mobile phone has been launched without testing and customers found many defects while using it. Let's assume one of the defects is whenever one mobile is getting connected to another mobile via Bluetooth, all the contacts of one phone is getting automatically shared to another phone without intimating the user. Sharing sensitive data without user's permission lead the mobile company to pull back all the faulty phones. This led to huge loss of money. Now the mobile company has to remove the defect and fix it and then relaunch the mobile or the product, which needs more time. The reputation of the company will also get affected, and perhaps customers will not prefer such mobiles in future as they already had bad experience with the same company. Suppose if one of the other fault is while using mobile it explodes. This will definitely lead to injury or even can cause death. Hope you have understood the severity and importance of testing to be performed in a software before releasing. So here comes to the end of this video. Next video of this series contains the second part of the first topic, that is what is testing. Next video of this series contains the second part, that is static vs dynamic testing. See you there. Thank you for learning with me. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning more. Thank you so much for watching.